President Donald Trump has said that Russia has accepted the invitation to join the Gaza Board of Peace. In response, Russian President Vladimir Putin said that the decision will depend on reviewing the invitation documents. However, the US could allocate $1 billion, that is around 9,000 crore rupees, from the Russian funds it has seized from Gaza. This is the fee for permanent membership of the board, which all member countries must pay. Pakistan is also set to join the board, but India has so far remained silent on Trump's invitation. Hello, I'm Deepthi Vaishnav. Today's explainer will explore that how much of Russia's money the US has seized and whether Putin could give $1 billion for Gaza and why India has not responded to Trump's invitation. In February 2022, after Russia's attack on Ukraine, the US, UK and European Union countries froze Russian foreign reserves held in their jurisdictions. These countries seized two types of Russian assets. First is Russian central bank asset. Russia's central bank had placed a large part of its gold and foreign reserves in other countries. Currencies, securities, shares, cash or sovereign bonds. Second is Russian oligarchs' private assets. Wealthy Russians, known as oligarchs, faced sanctions from the US, Italy and the EU after the Ukraine war, leading to the seizure of their cash and real estate abroad. According to the Brookings Institution, altogether $300 billion of Russian central bank assets and $58 billion of oligarchs' assets are frozen. So can the US use these seized funds for the Board of Peace? Most of Russia's funds remain blocked in Europe. For instance, $230 billion is frozen at Belgium's Euroclear depository, and European countries want to use this money to rebuild infrastructure in Ukraine.
For more such videos, download Bhaskar English app.